Hello lovelies, hope you're all doing really well. So this is the eye look of the day. You're probably getting sick of seeing this palette, but we'll be on to a new palette really soon. So the Danessa Myricks Volume 6, I'm holding it the wrong way around. That's off to a great start. So Danessa Myricks Beauty Lightwork Volume 6 Freedom Palette. So I've just taken the plastic off there. Look at all the fingerprints already. Hello. Right, whoops. I like the fact that it just magnetises in there. And then the whole palette's magnetised. So I'll show you what I've used so far. So I've used... Let's take them out actually. And hopefully I won't drop them. My mum got me this palette for Christmas, by the way. So I've used all of these. Real pretty. This one is more of a sequin. Yeah, both of them are actually. They're more of sequins, so I used them as liners. And then this one, can you see that great big dint in it? I think I stuck my finger in it or something, and most of like this ended up on my finger, and you could see the pan. So if you use this every day, you'd find it quite easily to hit the pan. Just kind of smushed it back in there because I did not want to see that pan just yet. Anyway, that's one of them. Then we've got this one. This one's stunning, absolutely stunning. This one, this brown eyeshadow here is again a sequin, and it's what I've got on my lash line there. But yeah, I've used all these shadows as well. And then this one, I'll put it up that way. This one's stunning. I did want to do it like a purple look today, but with the top that I'm wearing, it just wouldn't have gone. So I used my... I'll show you what the other palettes I used. These ones I'm trying to just get out of my collection. So I used the Natasha Denona Mini Retro. I used some more of this. And then I went into, I think this is a Mini Star. Yeah, Mini Star. And I use this one and this one for my mattes. Actually, for this one, I used all over the lid. Then I went in and used this shade here. Just let me show it to you. Look at that. That is so pretty. And yeah, just put that over that brown. It's got orange in it, but I don't know if it's showing the orange. Just it's like showing more of a grey smoky look, but I like that as well. I think if I would have just used that and not put like so much of the brown on, I think you would be able to see the colour more true to colour than it is. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. Because I've used these two, I've put them two together, so I know I've used them, and I just need to use this one, and then we can go in with another eyeshadow palette. I really like this look. I've liked every single look using this palette. I think it's a beautiful palette. My mum actually got me this for £50 from Sephora. I do want a new one. I said that I didn't want it, and it's out of stock everywhere. I do want the new one, so if you see it anywhere, could you please let me know? For the volume 7, I don't mean the tiny everyday neutral palette. I want that one as well, and I probably will get that one in time. Yeah, I'd like the one that size, but has more neutral colours in it. If I can't get it, I can't get it. I'm sure she'll bring another one out. I'm sure she'll bring volume 8 out for Christmas or around the holidays. I'll just have to pay full price, won't I? Which sucks, really. I don't like paying that amount of money for makeup, but if you're going to really enjoy it, then why not? Anyway, that's the look, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.